Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a denim hoop earring, and for that I am using this cardboard roll that came with this aluminium foil case, and I have cut out two parts from that case, and some we are going to use some brass wire and 3D outliner and some fabric glue for this project. So first we are taking this cutouts of that cardboard roll. It's about 2 centimeter wide. First I am marking two spaces that I am going to cut out to make the hoop. So I am going to use this portion for the earring. Same goes with the other one. You can choose thickness, you can make it more thinner as per your requirement. I have taken around 2 centimeter. The first step will be I will be wrapping this cardboard rolls with this denim fabric. So I'm going to cut out thin strips, and the strips will be more than 2 centimeters, so that there is some leftover on both sides. The fabric will have some leftover on both sides of the cardboard. Cutting out 4 pieces of denim. Now what I'm going to do is apply some fabric glue on the outer surface of this cardboard roll. Spreading the glue all over the cardboard, and now sticking the denim to this cardboard. Repeating the same process with the other cardboard. And we will keep it for drying for about 1 hour. Now applying the fabric glue on the inside of the cardboard, and I will stick this denim fabric on the inside also. Now doing the same process with the other cardboard. Now as you can see, the both the sides of this cardboard, we have to apply the fabric glue to stick the fabric, as the cardboard is visible on both the sides. So we have to hide the cardboard by sticking this fabric. Now it's dry. We will cut out the extra fabric from all over the sides of this cardboard wrap. Cutting out the extra denim from both the sides. When you do this, you will see that in some places the cardboard is still visible, so don't worry about that. We are going to apply the 3D outliner on the sides, so the cardboard will be covered with that acrylic 3D outliner glue. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to wrap this brass wire with this cardboard and denim wrap. First, straightening out the wire, taking the amount of wire we need for our earring and making a fold on both sides. Fold the wire on the front face and also in the internal face, and then make wrap the wire around this fold 6 to 7 times. Wrap it tighter. After each wrap, you have to pull the wire so that it gets tighter on each wrap. Also pressing the wire so that it gets tighter at the center also. So we have completed the wrapping. Now we have to cut out this wire, and then you have to tuck this wire on the internal loop that we have created. After this, the basic structure of our earring is done. Now we can decorate the earring as per our requirement. This is the basic structure of our earring. Now I'm going to do this in this another earring. Now we are going to decorate one of the earrings, and I'm using this antique gold color. In the beginning of the video I showed you a neon green color, but I changed my mind because I'm using a brass wire. So antique gold color 3D outliner will go with this better. As this paint dries out, the color will be matching with the brass wire. Now about this 3D outliner paint or puff paint, I want to mention that in colder regions this paint dries in about 24 hours, and in hot regions, hot climate, this paint can dry within 30 minutes also if you keep it under sunlight. So if you live in a colder region, you have to leave it for a little more longer, about 24 hours, to completely dry, and then you can do your further design or you can use it. So this is the design and it's dry, and I have provided to support on the back of this earring so that it doesn't come off. After drying, the look of this color matches with the brass wire. The paint is completely dry. I had kept it for one day as it is winter season. So I applied the 3D outliner on both the sides to cover the sides. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.